Ever wondered what really happens when you hit that block button on WhatsApp and banish someone from your digital life? Let's break down the consequences, step by step, so you know exactly what to expect. First off, the most obvious: you will no longer receive any messages from the blocked contact. If you try sending them a message, it will appear to send on your end, showing a single gray checkmark. However, that message will never be delivered to the blocked contact. They'll never know you even tried. You also won't be able to see their profile picture or their last seen or online status. Their profile picture will revert to the default silhouette, and their online activity will vanish from your view. It will be like they do not exist. Forget about calling them too. You won't be able to make WhatsApp calls to the blocked person, and of course, they can't call you either. The call button will be unavailable. Trying to add them to a group chat, WhatsApp won't allow it. If you try, you'll just see an invite button instead of their name. Keep in mind that blocking is a one-way street. The blocked contact won't receive any notification that you've blocked them. However, the points we just covered can serve as indicators. So, to recap, blocking someone on WhatsApp stops message delivery, hides profile updates, prevents calls, and obstructs group additions. Now you know precisely what happens when you hit that block button. For more WhatsApp tips and tricks to protect your privacy, be sure to subscribe and check out our other videos.